Hello, friends. Today we have a story about a box. Not just any box, a big, big box. Every time someone saw it, they said, "What's inside? Let's take a peek." First came Bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Maybe it's full of carrots. Then came Cat. Meow, meow, meow. Maybe it's full of yarn. Then came Dog. Woof, woof, woof. Maybe it's full of bones. Finally, all the friends gathered around. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Open the box. And guess what? The box was empty. But then Bunny laughed. Cat purred, Dog barked. Because they realized they were the surprise. And from that day on, whenever they saw a box, they always said, "What's inside? Let's take a peek." And they always found fun